Hello guys, thanks for joining us. In today's class, we are discussing about Introduction to Articulatory Phonetics in Consonants and Vowels. What is articulatory phonetics? It means how speech sounds are produced in the vocal tract. We have seen this picture. Through this picture, we have discussed about how the phonetics or the words were produced through the tongue. Difference between consonant and vowels. Consonants involve some constriction of airflow, but vowels do not. Describing consonants, there are three criteria. The first one is voicing, place of articulation, manner of articulation. What is voicing? Voicing means it shows what are the vocal folds doing. In voicing, there are two types. The first one is voiced sound and second one is unvoiced sound. What is voiced sound? Air through vibrating vocal folds. For example, take off your finger if you are left hand or right hand and put on your larynx and pronounce zzz, zzz, zzz. We have seen some of vibration. And in unvoiced sound, air through open folds. And take off your finger and put on your larynx and pronounce s, s, s. There is no vibration. Place of articulation, bilabial, both lips come together. For example, p, p, b, b, m, m. Labiodental, upper teeth and lower lip come together. For example, v, v. Alveolar, tongue at or near the ridge behind upper front teeth. For example, t, t, d, d, s, s. Place of articulation in velar, at velum or soft palate. For example, k, k, g, g. Glottal, at glottis or the space between the vocal folds. For example, h, h. Manner of articulation. It means how is the airflow constricted. Stop. Air released. For example, p, p, t, t, k, k, b, b, d, d, g, g. All these words produced air released. Fricative, bottleneck of airflow. For example, v, v, z, z. Nasal, air through the nasal cavity. For example, m, m, n, n. Introduction to articulatory phonetics in vowels. In this topic, we learn about how linguists describe vowel sounds. There are two types of vowels. First one is monophthongs and second one is diphthongs. In monophthongs, only one vowel. In diphthongs, there are two vowels. For example, in monophthongs, cat, sit. In diphthongs, for example, face, boy. No constriction of airflow is making vowel sounds. Manner of articulation in vowels. First one is glide, free airflow. For example, v, v, y, y. Voicing, place of articulation and manner of articulation. Pronounce b, b. It is voiced. It was in place of articulation in bilabial. Manner of articulation, stop. S, s. It was voiceless. Place of articulation is alveolar and manner of articulation is fricative. Criteria for describing vowels: height, vagueness, and roundedness. Height. How high or low the tongue is producing the vowels. For example, E, E, E. Tongue high. Ah, ah, ah. Tongue low. Backness. How far front or back the tongue is producing the vowel. E, E, E. Tongue forward. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Tongue backward. What is roundedness? Let's we learn the producing of roundedness. E, E. It is unrounded. Ooh, ooh. It is rounded because both lips are looking like as a circle or round shape. Criteria for describing vowels: height, backness, and roundedness. Pronounce ooh, ooh. It is high, back, and rounded. Summary: 3 criteria for vowels and order for 3 criteria: height, backness, and roundedness. These are 3 points we have learned in articulate phonetics in vowels. Thanks for watching this video, friends.